Hi, I'm going to show you the connection that goes in between the controller and the battery with my wiring harness. This harness fits scramblers, scorpions, rip currents, and the like. So where the controller is, there's a connection between the controller and the battery. You unplug this. My wiring harness has a plug with two ends on it, so these plug into the mating connectors in between, and this would be the battery in my right hand as I plug it in. So now it's intercepted that connection here. On the other side of the harness you have two plugs. These plugs mate to the new switch, the modular switch. So there's male and female, so you can only plug it in one way. So this one can go on either this side or this side of the switch, it doesn't matter. And this one goes in the center. And there's your switch. If you have something plugged, a battery on this side, it's the switch in this position, it's opposite to be turned on, and this connector would be to this side of the switch. Now there's one open spot here, so we connect our last wire here, and that would go to your auxiliary battery. I happen to have one right here, so we would plug this in here. And now when the switch is in this position, it's going through this cable to the auxiliary battery, and when it's in this position, it's going through the factory connection to the battery in your bike frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.